Yo! What's up, guys?
Hi,
It's
guys.
Jeremy and Jenna with Quench Your Adventure. Jenna has paint on her forearm.
Okay,
because-
really? Don't call me out.
What are we talking about today?
We are talking about health and hygiene while living in an RV full time and traveling the country.
Sweet.
These questions come up a lot with us. What was that?
I was going to say, roll the intro.
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff.
All right, Jenna, what topics are we talking about today?
We are talking about healthcare, doctors, dentists, my aligners,
And doing laundry.
and hygiene, personal hygiene.
Sweet. Let's do it. Let's start
Okay.
with the doctor, which first, I guess, goes to insurance. Do we have insurance on the road? This is a little complex. Right now, we're figuring it out because
Yes.
we had insurance with my previous job that I don't have anymore. I have another job that offers health insurance.
We might take a different approach or route. We'd love to hear from other RVers on if you guys do anything specific. But right now, we don't have any.
Yeah, but we are looking into Christian healthcare ministries because for us, we're young and healthy. We don't have many health needs. We do have some savings in an HSA from the previous job. So anyway, we're looking into Christian healthcare ministries, but if any other RVers or full-time nomads have recommendations, we would love to hear them. So
Yes.
that's that. Should we talk about the dentist?
Yeah, so I just went to the dentist a couple weeks ago. It was a bit of a process trying to get a dentist office to agree to work with me as a new patient if I'm never going to come back to them.
Yeah.
You know, they're like, oh, let's book that appointment out. I'm like,
Well, or they want to, do your new patient exam or whatever. It's
Yeah.
like, no, can I just get a cleaning,
right.
please?
I had to get the full x-rays. Like, it took almost an hour to do the x-rays and then 30 minutes for the cleaning. So,
But they lumped that into the price, right?
Yeah. So I mean, it was fine. I got a cleaning. You can
Yeah.
get a teeth cleaning on the road. You do not have to be a perfect,
Yeah.
patient there.
And we're just paying cash right now for those things, which is, relatively affordable. So,
And I started Smile Direct Club about a month into RV life. So they sent me all my aligners. I'm not wearing them right now because I wanted to be able to talk very clearly, but I'm almost done with the journey. But something that was really bothering me and grossing me out while being wearing retainers 22 hours a day was
keeping them clean.
So luckily, my friends at Crest sent me like all of this amazing new line for aligners specifically. So basically what it does is it helps me keep my aligners clean and hygienic, and so that I can keep wearing them daily and them not getting grossed out. So basically like some rapid cleaning tablets,
And we'll show you how it
certain
works.
type of toothpaste. Yeah, I can do a little like show you before and afters. Something that was a big deal was like my toothbrush, I was trying to scrub really hard into the crevices of the little aligners.
And I was witness to this.
Oh
Her
yeah, it was
toothbrush is
spraying
now
everywhere. Yeah.
frayed and, just didn't exactly do the job where this is designed
Yeah.
exactly for this purpose.
Like this is literally a cleansing gel and a brush to help me get them clean. So I'm super excited that I have all these perfect products that I can use now. You can get it at Walmart, which is very lucky. People on the road cannot get things in the mail sometimes. So now that Crest is doing this line at Walmart, I can get this stuff again when I need it. So,
We were at Walmart last night.
Yeah.
to sleep.
slept there. Yeah.
Very luxurious.
Another topic is showers.
Yeah. I mean, for
How do we stay
me,
clean?
so here's the first thing. We boondock 99% of the time, which if you're not that familiar with boondocking, we have a video on it. Check that out. But that means that we are not hooked up almost all of the time. So we fill up our water wherever we can and we do our best to conserve it. Therefore, we're taking really short showers. And for me, for pleasure and I guess to be conservative, I like to just
Likes
jump in
the
a lake or a river if I
river.
can find one and kind of call it a day because, relatively low maintenance here, but not
For
necessarily the case
me,
for
it's
Jen.
a little bit trickier with long hair, not wanting knots, not wanting it to be greasy. So I probably shower 3 to 4 times a week. I would shower every day if I could, but the water supply and the water pressure aren't my best friend. But we make it work.
Yeah.
A lot of people do gym memberships. or they do local parks and places and campgrounds and stuff like that.
Yeah, but having a full bathroom is a nice luxury.
Very
The thing you have to
lucky.
understand if you've never showered in this kind of scenario is being conservative with the water. Pretty much turn on some water, lather it up, maybe turn it off, do
Yeah.
whatever you need to do.
Don't just let it run. You're like gonna lose
Yeah.
half the tank.
So I mean, seriously, I'd probably shower with like less than a gallon of water. Am I 100% clean?
And he takes 2 minutes. It's pretty
close enough.
impressive. The other topic would be laundry.
Yeah.
People have a lot of options, and people have been sending me some really cool videos of like these portable little washers that you put in your sink, and you do like your socks, underwear, maybe a shirt or something.
So 2 things though, that does use water. That's,
And it takes
again,
up
we're
space.
something trying to conserve, and it takes up space. Yeah, I mean, we don't have a lot of space in here. You know, watch our tour video if you haven't seen the
Yeah.
full interior, but it's a 26-foot Class C, so it's not huge.
Yeah.
Space is at a premium. So yeah, we opt just to go to laundromats, and if we can find people along the way, we do that as well. And we've had a couple opportunities to house sit for folks, and we've been able to do laundry at their place. So we make it work.
Do not forget your quarters.
Yeah.
Do not forget your detergent, and have a basket ready, because we have been in situations where we've loaded an entire washer, look at each other and go, we don't have quarters.
Yeah. So if that raises any questions, or there's things we left out and did not talk about, we'd love to hear it. You know, if you're living this lifestyle, maybe you know, or you're just curious to compare and contrast. If you're not, but you're planning to, ask us more
Yes,
questions.
ask
We'd love
away.
to help you out.
But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay
Leave a comment.
tuned for weekly travel videos.
That too. All right, guys. See ya. Get out there and quench your adventure.
Bye.
Bye.